Are you starting your day with a smoothie? You might want to rethink it. While smoothies seem healthy, some choices can spike your blood sugar, packed on hidden calories, and leave you hungry too soon. Let's break down the truth behind morning smoothies and how to make them work for you. But first, my daughter's joke. Where do polar bears keep their money? In a snowbank. Classic, right? Give it a thumbs up and let me know if you laughed in the comments. Now, back to smoothies. Smoothies often include too much sugar from fruits like bananas, mangoes, and added sweeteners. Did you know just one large banana contains about 15 grams of sugar? That's more than a candy bar. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and fatigue. Instead, balance your smoothie with low glycemic fruits like berries, which are packed with antioxidants and won't cause sugar crashes. Another common pitfall is skipping protein. Protein helps keep you full longer and prevents blood sugar spikes. Studies show starting your day with 20 to 30 grams of protein can boost metabolism by up to 15%. Add a scoop of high-quality protein powder, Greek yogurt, or even silken tofu for a creamy texture. And let's talk about veggies. Most people forget them entirely, but adding spinach, kale, or even zucchini can provide essential nutrients without altering the flavor. These greens offer vitamin K, magnesium, and fiber, perfect for glowing skin and a healthier gut. Lastly, watch out for those store-bought options. Many are loaded with preservatives and unnecessary sugars. A study found that some store smoothies contain as much as 50 grams of sugar. That's 12 teaspoons. Making your own smoothie at home ensures you control every ingredient. So what's the perfect smoothie? It includes low glycemic fruits like berries, a handful of leafy greens, a scoop of protein, healthy fats like chia seeds, avocado, or nut butter for longer lasting energy. Fun fact, adding cinnamon not only enhances flavor, but may lower blood sugar levels by up to 29% in people with type 2 diabetes. Isn't that cool? Recap. Smoothies can be a powerhouse or a pitfall. Balance is key. Dish the sugar bombs, pack in the greens, and make sure it keeps you full. Thanks for watching. I'll dive deeper into smoothie ingredients and alternatives in future videos. Like and subscribe for more tips to fuel your health. Until next time, here's to smart sips and better mornings.